How to find and edit scheduled post on Instagram. Here's how. To begin with, open the Instagram app on your device and log into your account. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right to access your profile page. Once you are there, click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. From the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Schedule Content. At this point, you will see all of your scheduled posts listed in one place. Now tap on the post that you want to make changes to. Then click the three-dot icon at the top right corner of the post. Afterwards, select Edit from the menu that appears. From here, you can update the caption, add music, and tag a location. Finally, once you're happy with the changes, hit the check mark at the top right. And just like that, your scheduled post is now updated on Instagram.